So this is my favorite deal of the holiday season because honestly, when you upgrade the quality of the products you're using on your pits, on your balls, and on your body, you feel good, you smell good, you look good. Oh my God, it's a combination of amazingness. And right now, here is the deal. When you spend $75 at Bean Pedro, you're gonna get the body kit for free. It's a $50 value. You get the eucalyptus spearmint, amazing natural deodorant. This stuff is incredible. It works incredibly well. It also smells like eucalyptus spearmint. This is the best natural deodorant on the market. I built this for me because I was tired of rubbing like toxic chemicals under my pits. You're also gonna get this, the amazing, award-winning Pete and Pedro ball powder. This stuff is next level in terms of moisture absorption, smelling fresh, and also it is talc-free, which means it's not gonna jack up Big Al or the boys. And last, but certainly not least, you're getting the body bar. The body bar, this stuff, like seriously, like this is, I can't even explain the sexiness of this bar. This is honestly my favorite deal. Guys, right now, limited time. You spend $75, you're getting $50 worth of grooming greatness for free. You're getting the body set for free. This deal is my favorite. Supplies won't last. If you're interested, all the information, the codes, the links, all that good stuff is around here somewhere. But what's not around here is bad odor, because with this, you don't have any.